Hi guys, my name is Hyemi, and today we'll be going over YLOG second grade worksheet lesson number 29. Okay, so we are going to go over subtracting and adding. So you just subtract or add. So here we see an addition sign, so we are going to add these two numbers. We always start with the ones digit and move on to the greater digits. So right to left. So 7 plus 2 would be 9. And 2 plus 3 would be 5. So your final answer would be 59. Same thing over here. You're going to subtract, right? You see the subtraction sign. So 5 minus 2 would be 3. 7 minus 5 would be 2. So your final answer would be 23. Same thing, this is a subtraction sign. So therefore, you will look at it like this. 5 minus 0 is just 5. And 6 minus 4 is just 2. 24 plus 36 is the addition sign, so again, we're going to add 4 plus 6 equals 10. So you put the 0 here, and over here, and the 110 up here. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus this 1 right here is 6. Final answer will be 60. Continuing on, we have 43 plus 43 cents. So again, 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 86 cents. 50 minus 39. So from here, it's a little tricky. You're going to borrow from the tens place, right? Because you don't have enough to minus 9 away. So this 5 will become a 4. And this 0 will become a 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So you have 11 cents. 90 minus 85. Again, you can't minus 0 minus 5, so you have to borrow from the 9. So then the 9 will turn to 8. 0 will turn into 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0, so it's just 5 cents. Very simple. 48 plus 55. 8 plus 5 is 13, so we'll write the 3 here. Add the 10 over there. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, so it'll be 103 cents. Okay, 83 cents minus 37 cents. So you would minus 3 minus 7, which you can't do. Again, you're going to borrow, so this would become a 7. This would become a 13 because you're adding 10. 13 minus 7 would be 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. So you would have 46 cents. So problem solving to determine whether to add or subtract. Okay, how much money would you need to buy a teddy bear and a yo-yo? So, in this case, how much money would you need to buy a teddy bear and a yo-yo? So when they say and, they want both stuff, right? Number 1 and number 2. So therefore, you should subtract. So then, you would have to add. And you can just add the 67 plus 18, which would be 5 over here, move the 10 here, and then 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8, 85 cents. You have 55 cents, you buy a puppet. How much money do you have left? Okay, so you have 55 cents, and they're saying that you bought a puppy, and they're asking how much you have left. This is going to be a subtraction problem because they're asking for how many you have left. So basically you're minusing from the 55 cents you have. You bought something, so you lost something, right? So the setup will look like this. 5 minus 0 is just 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it'll be 25 cents left. How much money would you need to buy a toy boat and a jump rope? Okay, how much money would you need to buy a toy boat and a jump rope? Again, this is 1 and 2. You're buying 2 items, so they want to know the total. So then you would just simply add these two numbers. So you would add 45 plus 26, which is 11. You put it up here. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 71 cents. Lastly, how much money would you need to buy a toy car and a ball? Same thing over here. This is 1. This is 2. So you would add 71 plus 13. It's just a 1. 71 minus 13, you would borrow from the tens. This will be 6. This will become 11. 11 minus 3 would be 8. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 56 cents left. Moving on to word problems. A muffin is 17 cents and a plum is 43 cents. How much money would you need to buy? Would you need to buy a muffin and a plum? Okay, so very similar to what we just did now. We are going to add, right? Because you have item number 1 right here and item number 2 right here. Okay, so you'll simply just add 43 plus 17. They're both cents. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So write a 0. 10 right here. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus this one right here would be 60. So you would need 60 cents. You have 85 cents. You buy a bag of nuts. That is 42 cents. How much money do you have left? Okay, this is an example of subtraction. So basically you would get the larger number, right? The number you had originally. And the bag of nuts is 42 cents. So you will write it on the bottom to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. So you would have 43 cents left. There are 37 chickens on the farm. 19 chickens are in the barn. How many chickens are not in the barn? Okay, so they're asking how many chickens are not in the barn, right? So then, if they gave us the total amount of the chickens and the total amount of how many chickens are at the barn, you would just simply minus those two numbers. So 37 minus 9, you can't do that, so you'll borrow from here. This will be 2. This will be 17. 17 minus 9 would be 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it would just be 18 chickens. 18 chickens.